Good morning, everyone. You know, the other day I was looking online, and you've got all these apps that have filters, and you can do different things to them. And you see people go like that, and they're taking their picture from up high to make themselves look thinner or look better. Or you see certain people, they can only be photographed from one side because they call it their best side, you know? And then you have all these programs like Photoshop. You can make yourself look fantastic. Get rid of all the lines, get rid of all the gray, anything you want. And if you can't just do it in social media, you can get plastic surgery and do this, put on all these creams and lotions and makeup. But I have learned that you can't, whatever you do, no matter what you do, you can't Photoshop your soul, who you are on the inside. It comes out. And by saying that, I mean good or bad. You ever know really good people try to be bad? It just really doesn't work because that good is always going to come through, and that bad is always going to come through. And within yourself, you know it too. And so today, my challenge is this: let's all work on those things inside that we may not like. Let's work on improving that because you can't Photoshop it. And those things within us, if we're good, let's work on bringing that to the outside and being genuine with each other. It goes a long way. It goes a lot further than taking the best angle and putting on the best filter and applying Photoshop to your life. You know, the things that you may think that you want in life may not always be the best things for you. So don't Photoshop your life because you can't Photoshop who you are, good or bad. You can't Photoshop your soul. Let's genuinely work on ourselves and no longer apply that filter. Please like, please subscribe, please share these videos. And for those of you who are already doing it, I thank you from the bottom of my heart. And for all of you, go out and make it a great day.